All right, let's open her up. Boom. Okay. All right. First, we got the image Canon document here. Then you have the Canon warranty here. Personally, I always go on site and register my products. Have the owner's manual. All right, now the meat and potatoes. First up, you got the R7 strap. There we go. Nice, nice. And you know, I watched a few videos, but nobody ever mentioned this. You got the QR code here. If you need to find a replacement, you can just scan the QR code. It should come up. You also got the product ID number on there. I don't know if you can see it, but you have the product ID on there. Next up, you have the charging station. Same thing. Got the QR code, the product ID. And then you got the new battery, the LPE6. Excuse me. Yeah, LPE6NH. QR code there if you want to go ahead and get another factory spare. Alright. Now I did order the R7 with the lens, so let's open up the lens first. Boom. Nice. Yeah. Feels good. Alright. Now the R7. There she is. Nice. I will be doing a video on the different controls of the R7 later. But here you go so far. Flip out screen. Rotates. All right. Thank you for watching.